Type. Just like that.
Fuck nigga. Do it.
What it do, you two? I'm back with another video, man. I'm fresh as fuck. I'm fresh as hell. I'm fresh as hell. I ain't gonna count. Fuck. Fool. My stomach hurt, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Today, bro. Today is the day, fam. Today is the day, man. Out of here, man. You thought I was only gonna leave my 9 to 5 too? No, nigga, I'm leaving the city, nigga. I'm quitting Mississippi, nigga. I'm quitting Mississippi too, fool. Fuck Mississippi. Probably the last time. Probably the last time you'll ever see this shit. You feel me? Last time you'll ever see all this, bro. My life. My mother. That's everything I own right there, man. See the condos over there. My life. A lot of people just scared to do, or like, a lot of people can't do what I do, you feel me? They just...
You're not me. I told you this before. I told you this before. You are not me, so you can't do what I do.
And, you feel me? We all got our own route we want to take and everything. All we want to do, we see that fit, you feel me? I feel like I can do this. I feel like I can do this, you feel me? I'm trying to make my name rich, man. You feel me? This ain't nothing but a risk, man. Everything come to risk, bro. But I'm gonna get back to y'all, man, when I get my luggage in my car. See what we got with him, my nigga. Okay. Alright. Alright. Oh, bitch, what the... Bitch, you say you would turn, you dumbass, the stupid ass nigga. Alright. They playing on my wife. I say goodbye to my last day of real motion, man. Motor sounding good and shit. They know what time it is.
Yeah. Tell home selling crack, you gotta catch the ticket. I'm that rapper who's still
What the whole way, fool? Nobody ever went this way, I swear to God. Nobody ever went this way.
With that two pussy with the way roll with crack. Nigga, he fucking in that.
Cut out that nigga eyes, that nigga over with. Nigga thought I was lacking walking down bleeding, nigga. That's my hood, dickhead. You know I got some big shit. Extra bullets in my jumpsuit too.
Vikings winning!
Free take. Gon' blood, nigga. Walking down bleeding with that stick. Extra bullets in my jumpsuit. I can't wait to let it hit. B12 walking down that street. You know that bitch can't pull off smashing. Shoot the cameras out, then walk them down. Nobody know what happened. Like, I don't know why he dissing Mari like we don't know where he stayed. Bullet drape on by the T8 slot the box like no play. Niggas know we OD crashing. Pull through mags and work that case. His mama swore he was a good child. Soon as that little boy get saved. BA, Cadillac can't drive straight. Highway, blue light, tell the guy get sideways. Oh, turn behind me.
Why are you fucking here, man? You're so old.
Get out this bitch, man. I swear to God. I really want y'all to get out this bitch. This real hell. Get out this bitch. Goddamn right. Tapping on them balls, my nigga. This shit.
Fighting pose. To your left. To your left. You're on fighting pose.
I ain't want Type. Just like that. Hey, John. Yeah.
Fuck this shit.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. They both think.
I got them reds on.
Yeah.
I got them reds on.
Oh, we gone.
I need just do unlimited one. The security ain't shut them down. You down with this shit, man? Fuck this shit. Hey, Felton! Felton! Bring your handicap ass up out of there! Gotta push it around.
On some real shit, really just solidified. Like I can't go back to this 95 shit, bro. This shit for real, fool. This shit for real, bro. This shit ain't stopping nothing, though. This is the beginning, bro. They trying to act boozy. They ain't finna go to work.
Hey, watch this. They gonna pick them bitches up. No cap.
Them bitches picked up already. We ain't even get to leave for them bitches got picked up.
And the ladies might don't counterfeit. You gonna see. They gonna spend up business.
Stupid, they ain't counterfeit. You know, they ain't counterfeit that cup. Bitch, go hit it. Nigga, stop playing with me. Come on, somebody, I did hear that shit. I did hear somebody say that shit. Oh my mom, they ass so boring. They ass ain't never had no fun shit in their life. They ain't never seen nothing like that, man.
I will never change. Never, ever.